Hello, my name is David Scher, and I'm an attorney with the Employment Law Group. Today I want to talk about a specific example of sexual harassment happening in the workplace and work environment, and talk about the rules around sexual harassment for those who may be facing those issues in the workplace. Recently, Joseph Rogers, who is the chairman of the Waffle House, is now facing a lawsuit from his former housekeeper, certainly an employee of his, and the housekeeper alleges that she has been facing sexual harassment and sexual abuse from the chairman of the Waffle House for over 10 years. It reminded me of the recent Arnold Schwarzenegger case in which he apparently had an affair with his housekeeper and even had a child with her. But that woman did not bring an allegation for sexual harassment, perhaps because they reached a settlement. But in any event, with respect to this Waffle House case, what's interesting about it is that the sexual harassment went on for 10 years. It's certainly understandable that a woman who's a housekeeper in a subordinate position felt pressured to comply, and perhaps did comply for a long time until she could no longer take it anymore and came forward. It's hard to imagine the emotional and physical trauma this woman suffered. That said, if you are somebody facing sexual harassment in the workplace, you need to do something immediately. And that is because the laws provide protections for women and men who face sexual harassment who come forward immediately. When you don't come forward immediately, obviously it leads to accusations that you consented to the conduct, or that you tolerated the conduct, or that you did not find it as severe as to the rise to the level of sexual harassment. In addition to that, there are reporting rules. You must bring your claim of sexual harassment often to an administrative agency like the EEOC in a timely fashion. And if you don't do that, you may be viewed as having waived your claim. For all of these reasons, if you are facing sexual harassment in the workplace, don't wait any longer. Do something immediately. These are serious charges and something can be done about it. The Employment Law Group handles these cases as well as many other law firms. If you'd like to find out more information about this, you can check us out at www.employmentlawgroup.com, send us an email, and we can take a look at your claim. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.